Hi guys, I'm here again with another exciting video and delicious recipe. So today we're making ice cream with just 3 ingredients. Very simple and straightforward recipe. And trust me when I say this recipe is the best. The best of the best. After making this, you would keep asking for more and more, but remember not to get too addicted to this, okay? It's just a sisterly advice, yeah. So today's recipe or today's video is gonna be banana and peanut ice cream. Have you ever had that combination before? Wow, it's so amazing. When I tell you this is amazing, guys, I mean every bit of what I say. That is why I warned you earlier not to get so addicted to this. Alright, let's delve into this video. Hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Here we're making use of condensed milk. This is one of the ingredients we're going to be using for this, and I'm using this very brand. Yes, pouring your condensed milk into your bowl or ramekin. Then our number 2 ingredients is gonna be peanuts. Yes, I told you earlier we're making banana and peanut ice cream. A very tasty combo. Very tasty combo. You know, in Nigeria, there's this combination we usually have. When you're eating banana, you eat it with groundnuts, and the taste is always so heavenly. And then I thought about it, like, why not make something out of this? Like, why not make ice cream out of it? Okay, guys, remember the banana I told you earlier will be frozen banana. So you freeze your banana and then you cut it into little chunks, pour it into your blender, add your peanut or groundnut as we call it in Nigeria, and next you add some condensed milk. And we're gonna whip this up, blend it. You can blend it until it is smooth, but for me, I wanted it crunchy. I wanted to have that crunchy peanut in it, so I didn't blend it smoothly. Trust me, if you try it this way, you would love it. You would have something to chew while you get eating this ice cream. As soon as you're done with blending this, you pour it into a bowl, and don't forget to cover the top with a cling film, to prevent that skin from forming on top of it. After this is done, you put this into your freezer for about 3 to 4 hours and allow it to freeze. And that is that. Our ice cream is almost ready. At this point, our ice cream is 70% ready. Okay. It's over 3 hours and we're bringing this ice cream out of the freezer, and I think we've gotten the texture that we actually want. It's frozen, yeah, but not too hot. Just the perfect consistency of ice cream that we need. Guys, so this is the point where, you know me, I'm always very excited when it comes to tasting. I love this part so much. Like, I always look forward to tasting, and it gets me so excited. I'm going to be scooping this into a bowl, little bowl, a small bowl, and I will enjoy every scoop of this delicious goodness. If you've watched to this point, guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, share as well, so that the algorithm will push this to the right audience. Yes, and leave beautiful comments, leave questions if you have questions to ask, and trust me to reply you in the comments section. So my ice cream is sitting pretty and waiting for me to come have a taste of it. And guys, when I tell you this is the perfect consistency, the right texture, the taste is superb. I give this 100/100. Yes, 100/100. You need to have a taste of this, guys. And do I need to tell you that I ate this whole ice cream and empty the entire cup? I emptied this cup entirely. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something tangible from this and you enjoyed watching this. Please, if you really enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video, leave nice comments, and if you have questions to ask concerning any step at all you don't understand during the process of making this banana and peanut ice cream, do well to leave me a comment and I'll reply immediately. Alright, until my next video, stay safe and out of trouble. Bye.